Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Microsoft Teams for beginners, pro tips step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your Microsoft account. Familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left side, you'll see icons for activity, chat, teams, assignments, and more. Click on the Teams icon to view your teams and channels. Select a team to join a discussion or collaborate. To post a message, click on the Start a New Conversation field at the bottom. Type your message and hit Enter to send it. To reply to a specific message, hover over the message and click the Reply button. Use the @ symbol to tag someone in your message. This sends them a notification and ensures they see your comment. To share a file, click the paperclip icon below the chat box. Choose a file from your computer or cloud storage to upload it. You can also drag and drop files directly into the chat. For video calls, select the Meet Now button in the Teams toolbar. Choose whether to enable your camera or microphone before starting. Invite other team members to join the meeting by sending them the link. During a meeting, you can share your screen by clicking the Share icon. Select the screen or application you wish to share. Use the chat feature during meetings to share links or comments without interrupting. To schedule a meeting, go to the calendar icon on the left panel. Click the New Meeting button and fill in the details. Add attendees and set a date and time before clicking Save. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find chats or files. For more organization, create channels for specific topics within a team. Click on the team name and choose Add Channel to get started. Customize your notifications by going to your profile settings in the top right corner. Select Settings, then Notifications to adjust how you receive updates. Explore the Apps section on the left panel to integrate third-party tools. These can enhance your team's productivity and collaboration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.